how to add JavaScript to Shopify page. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add JavaScript to a Shopify page. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and log in using your account credentials. If you've got multiple stores, make sure you choose the one where you want to add the JavaScript. Now once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. From there, go to Themes. You'll see your current theme listed. Just click on the three dots next to the Customize button and select Edit Code. Inside the code editor, you'll see a list of folders on the left. Open the folder named Assets. Then click on Add a new asset. Here, choose to create a new file. Select JavaScript.js or JavaScript with Liquid.js Liquid, depending on your need, and give it a proper name. Once the file is created, paste your JavaScript code into the editor. This can be your custom code or a code snippet you've copied from somewhere. Make sure the code is clean and has no errors. Now hit the Save button. Your JavaScript is now successfully added to your Shopify theme. You can call it in your theme's Liquid file or on specific pages depending on how you want it to work. That's all for the video.